Hi, this is Charles Haley, five-time Super Bowl champ.
And my name is Lori Lynch, Senior Vice President, Customer Success from Istation. And we want to welcome you to our reading series called Istation Reads in partnership with Tackle Tomorrow. Charles and I are excited to introduce this amazing reading series where you're going to hear from a lot of personalities reading Istation books. We'll ask you some questions at the beginning of each story, and by the end, we'll follow up to see if you got the right answers. So join us for each episode. You'll see us on iStation's YouTube channel. If you love it, share us on social media. We look forward to working with you, and as Charles always says,
It doesn't matter where you start, it's where you finish.
you're so right, Charles. Okay, everybody, let's get started.
Hello, my name is Tony Montgomery, and I work for Istation. And today, we're going to have Trace Bucey from the University of Texas, an award-winning outfielder, read to us today. Growing up, I loved reading, and I'm always a fan of learning something new. It's what Trace Bucey shared with us as he got ready to read the book, The View from Above. So as he reads, I want you to think about and listen for this information. What were the poems about? Is it true or false that the moon has no air, weather, or sound? Name at least 2 facts about the moon. Now listen closely. We'll meet at the end of the book to check for understanding.
Hey guys, my name is Trace Bucey. I'm a former college baseball player from the University of Texas, and I'll be reading for y'all today. Growing up, I loved reading, and I'm always a fan of learning something new, and I think today's book will both be able to do that. So let's just jump right into it. The book is called A View from Above, a collection of moon poems. All right, see, we got our first poem here. It's called Moon Drops. We're going to go with Mirror for the sun's light, only natural satellite for Earth, 1/6 the gravity of Earth, no air, no weather, no wind, no sound. Pretty cool little facts about the moon. And then we're going to go into lunar balloon. Moon, moon big and bright. Big and bright all through the night, out in space so far away. It's even there throughout the day. It looks like it's shining, but that's not true. It's just a reflection within our view. Sunlight travels through our galaxy and reflects off the moon for us to see. The moon orbits Earth in less than 30 days and appears to change shape, going through each phase. Its craters and hills can be big or small. They're made of rock, but that's not all. I did not know that. I thought the moon was completely made of rock. Unlike the Earth, there's no air on the moon. It's lifeless and incredibly hot in the afternoon. On the dark side of the moon, it gets very cold, minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit, or so I'm told. Yeah, it's a little chilly. An elephant on the moon would be rather light. With lunar gravity, it could jump and take flight. Having less gravity to pull things to the ground, objects on the moon will simply float around. When you look at the moon on a starry night, remember, it's the sun that makes it so bright. Then maybe someday you'll be an astronaut and leave your footprint next to Neil Armstrong's spot. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see here. Next poem is called Changin'. Phase in, phase out. What's all the changin' about? From new to crescent to half to full, from full to half to crescent to new. Phase in, phase out. What's all the changin' about? And then, let's see. This might be the last one here. We got the dark side of the moon. Much about the moon is a mystery. Originally, Was it a part of the earth? One time long ago, was there water? No answers yet, but questions never end. And guys, I think that's the end. I learned some things about the moon I did not know about. That was pretty cool. I hope you all did too, and that was pretty fun. The end.
Okay, everybody, let's think about it. Here's the questions for review. What were the poems about? Is it true or false that the moon has no air, weather, or sound? And name at least 2 facts about the moon. If you want to hit the pause button, go ahead and press pause and take your time to think about the answers. Once you unpause, let's move on to the question and answers at the end of the book. See you there.
So what did you think? What was the poem about? If you said the moon, you were correct. Is it true or false that the moon has no air, weather, or sound? If you said true, you were correct again. Name at least 2 facts about the moon. The poem said the moon orbits the earth in less than 30 days, that the moon reflects light. You can actually see the moon throughout the day. Those are some of the facts. You might find other facts as you read. Thank you for joining us.
Lori here again. Thanks again for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the story. Remember, tune into our Istation YouTube channel to check out Istation Reads. If you love us, share us on social media. Hope to see you again real soon.